I've been in your waters.
What is poppin', people, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, today we are in the studio, so I do apologize for any echoiness that's happening and any lighting. This is the first video in here, so I need to have a jiggle around and see where I need to position things and see if I can get rid of this echo, if there is any echo picking up on the video, which I'm sure there is. But today's video, guys, is gonna be on, is there a right way to tattoo? Now, what I mean by that is, yes, there is a right way to tattoo, but that's within regards to the way you line and not blowing out, and the way that you shade or color pack or anything like that, and not damage the skin, not overwork the skin. Those ways are what I would call like the fundamentals of tattooing. Not overworking and not blowing out lines is two fundamentals right there. Those everybody needs to have down, especially blowing out lines. If you're using a three liner or a single liner, then you need to know that what you can do with those needles without blowing out everywhere. The basic fundamentals is what we all need to learn, but having an adaptation on those fundamentals is not a bad thing at all. And I would always recommend people find new ways to tattoo and find new avenues to explore in how to execute a tattoo. But there is no wrong way to tattoo. The way that you tattoo, if it works for you, it works for you. As long as you are not blowing out your lines, as long as you are not overworking the skin, as long as you have those these fundamentals down, whichever way you choose to tattoo is the right way, and it's the right way for you. Your technique for black and grey may be a round motion, and a round motion has been working for you. I've done a video on my technique for black and grey. I'll link that somewhere around here. Go and check that out after this video if you want. But that technique may not work for you. Just because somebody else says something, that doesn't mean that that's the way to do it. That just means that's the way for them. Just because you're doing it one way and another artist does it another way and another artist does it another way, nobody's wrong. Like, your mentor may come up to you and be like, listen, you're doing it wrong, try it this way. Now, we should all listen to his mentors, but sometimes they may try to push a technique on you that you do not feel comfortable with or you do not feel happy with. So what's the best way of putting it? By all means, like the best, take that information and try that. But if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If you can achieve the same result or a better result by doing it your way, then I am all for that, and I think everybody should tattoo their own way, as long as they keep the fundamentals in mind. We are all different, we all have different machine setups, we all like different liners, we all like different mags. It even goes as far as liking different types of kitchen roll. We are all different. So this video today is just to tell you that your way is not the wrong way. No matter what anybody says, it is not the wrong way. There is no wrong way to tattoo. If it works, it works. If you find a technique that works, use it. If you find a certain technique to do fur or stippling or something like that that's a little bit different, as long as you're not overworking that skin, as long as you're not causing, significant trauma to that skin, it's just using these things to your advantage. So I really do not believe there is a specific right way to tattoo, aside from the fundamentals. If something works for you, then do it, and do it well, and get better at it. And you know what? The people that tell you you're doing it wrong may be the ones that come to you later down the line and ask you how you are doing these things, and may want you to show them the technique that you use. Everything is about learning in this game and not dismissing anything. If you just dismiss the information, then you are never gonna go far. But if you get the information, you try it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but you may find it does work, and then you can adapt on that and make it better. Don't just completely dismiss something. Try it at least, but if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Anyway guys, that is just a quick tip from me today. If you are new around here, please hit that subscribe button. Turn on bell notifications to get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, I shall see you all in the next one. Adios.